Okay. This is after her first bath. She cleans up nicely. So obviously there's work to do, but the bones are there, and it is integrally in impeccable condition with everything working. That's the key so far. Well, let's keep our fingers crossed, because obviously there's things you can discover that you need to repair, but basically so far from her bill of health, she looks little stuff like this, which we've already addressed, and I know how to do that, so that's not an issue, which is good news. But there's a couple of little dings and dents which are going to be repaired. And look at this. I mean, look how dirty it is. Still, I just power washed it, and I'm still unable to get the grime off of it. But she is integrally in superb condition. It is shocking. Look at the air conditioner. It's still, the cover is still on it. Okay, here we go. Inside. Now, everything works in terms of the lights, but I don't have it plugged in because I don't have my truck keys. But let's just start with the kitchen. Obviously, it is what it is. It's old, but the bones are still there. I mean, this little heater, some people might think is gorgeous because of its nostalgic element, but it's gotta be changed out for something sleek and modern. But the oven, the same thing, is going to get replaced. The countertop is going to get replaced. These are staying. They might be changed in color. They might go to a paler color. They might go to a white. I'm still trying to figure this out. The way this is done is that this is a cover, a laminate cover on top of the wood. The refrigerator, of course, I'm going to go with a bigger refrigerator. This laminate, whatever, is getting replaced with some nice real wood. Or I might just remove it completely, because I'm not sure how integral it is, because this piece of metal is holding it together. I think maybe I'll just remove that completely, so it does open up the space a little bit. These cabinets are staying. They're getting removed, and they're getting resanded, refinished. I'm thinking with a lighter finish. The curtain balances, same thing. They're staying. They're gorgeous. Real wood, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, come on. They don't make it like they used to. So that's staying. I'm going to get a nice porcelain sink, probably deeper set. But when you open up and look inside, everything is so clean in terms of, the way it is. It's so nicely preserved. It just sat in there and hasn't done much of anything. But I'm getting a nice deep sink, maybe one of those farmer type ones, so that you can put a lot in it. Then there's a lid that goes on top. That lid will match the granite countertop. This faucet, I actually like the faucet, and that sounds crazy, but I like it. I might keep it because it's functional and it doesn't bother me. On the other hand, I might get a nice jazzier kind of thing. These curtain things I can't stand. I loathe them. They gotta go. I don't care if you have no privacy, but these things, some people love them. I just think they're terrible. Vince at the resto place loves them. I don't know what he sees in them. There's a full-length mirror. I'm keeping a full-length mirror here. This pocket door, look at this. pocket door, I'm keeping that as well. How they're going to be refinished is still up for debate. Same thing in the kitchen as in the bathroom. Same matching granite countertop, backsplash matching the tile work that I'm going to have done in the bathroom, which will be custom tile. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to keep this. I'll probably remove it, so that way the drain and the floor or whatever, we'll figure it out. It's going to get tiled, very light tile. Going into the the closets, very nice closets. In here there's a really nice large kind of suit closet. You can imagine all this is going away. This thing going away. So I don't understand why they have these separation things, but that's all going to be, I think, a whiter or paler look to it. These are going to be lightened up. They actually work. You believe that? They all work perfectly. The AC unit blows air out of those specific vent holes into the back of the trailer as it does into the front. But here is the bedroom. Now this was